how to set up or record new voicemail message on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Phone app. After click on Phone app, click on Keypad. And if you want to set up, record a new voicemail, so just click and hold on one, and you will see voicemail call is here. So you will see turn on and turn on speaker mode. After turn on speaker mode, and you will see voicemail is showing voicemail. So you will enter your keys. So enter after enter keys, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set up, record new voicemail message on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.